So let's say you have your cover page, your table of contents, as well as your copyright page. So you want to start on the fourth page. Here is how you are to do it. So you want to start by going to the layout section and go to breaks and go ahead and select the next page. Now go ahead and highlight the page you'd want to start from. Go back to insert and go to page numbers. Go to bottom of the page and select either plain number 2 or plain number 3. So go ahead and select 1. Now once you've done that, you want to go to the page you are starting from. Just make sure you select the right page. So I'm starting from this side. I go ahead and highlight it just like so, and I will go to link to previous, go to page numbers and go ahead and format page numbers. So go ahead and click on start at and automatically to bring in one, so you press OK. Now that's how you do it. So you want to simply check and you will see that it starts from there. Go ahead and delete the rest of the numbers just like so, and that's how you fix it. So you don't have to worry about starting on the first page anymore. You can easily start from any page you want to. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Help me hit that 1K subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.